All right, to all the globers, here's a proof. I want you to debunk this. Now, visual proof of the close flat Earth sun. I'm showing you right now that NASA has been lying to us. So we've been told all our lives that the sun is 92.96 million miles away with the circumference of 2,700,013,406 miles. We are told millions of Earths could fit inside the sun, and that our sun is just a close star that we orbit around. But if you look closely, take a look at this, tell me, and observe the sun's light and rays, you will see that our reality is much different than what we've been told. We have been indoctrinated, that's what I can say. I mean, I've been indoctrinated, most of us have been indoctrinated, that's why we don't believe otherwise. So, into this massive lie that all you have to do, if you just look up and see the truth with your eyes, just like that show that used to be like, look up, Marlon, just look up, my friend. Does what we've been taught match what we see? Why don't you believe your eyes? We are so indoctrinated that we don't believe our eyes anymore. Now here's a visual proof of the close, small, flat Earth sun. Maybe the sun looks close because it is close. See the truth with your eyes and stop believing NASA's satanic lie. It's all satanic. Okay? Now if you read crepuscular rays shoot out from clouds at angles and converge somewhere above the clouds, clearly the sun is not 93 million miles away. If it was, then the rays would all be coming in at least 93 degrees angle. The only way the sun's ray could create crepuscular rays is if it was close and small, and that's why the sun rays is coming up this way. Now follow these sun rays up to the point to converge, that's where the sun is. So if you follow it all the way up, exactly, you can see that's where the sun is. It doesn't take 93 million miles to get there, does it? Look at it, just take a look. So in these pictures you can see the sun's hotspot directly underneath the sun on the clouds and water. So how is it possible for a sun 93 million miles away to create a single spot of light directly underneath it? It's not. You can experiment this for yourself with this you can use a single flashlight. If you take the flashlight, the farther away the flashlight is from the floor, the more widely distributed the light is. The closer it is, the more you can see the condensed circle of bright light. So the sun is clearly right above the clouds, right here if you look. So here, you can see the sun's light concentrated directly above the clouds. The clouds right underneath the sun have dissipated from the heat. So if the sun was 93 million miles away, the light and heat would be evenly disturbed. So that means that the sun is close, my friend. This is incredible footage right here. You can see this footage from a balloon camera. The sun is right here. Look, it's not 95 million miles away. So you can see it right there. If it was truly 93 million miles away, you would not see a change in size in such a small parallax of distance. You would not have seen it. So you can see that the sun's light on the horizon is illuminating locally and not widely disturbed. I would say distributed. This is only possible if the light source is close. You can see here that the sun's light is illuminating the horizon almost the same as a bright city on the horizon. If the sun was 93 million miles away, the light would fill the entire horizon evenly. But this is not the case. The sun is clearly close and small, my friend. The sun is small, close, and illuminating locally, just like the city. It is clearly not 93 million miles away. Just do your own research. You'll find out. Just to prove to you that the sun is not 93 million miles away, that we've been lied to. All right? Don't let NASA make a monkey out of you. Anyway, peace out. Flat Earth wins. Subscribe.